If getting to the gym is half the battle, shouldn't it be easier to just skip that step and exercise in the privacy of your own home? In a way, yes. Despite how accessible your location is, it's difficult to stay motivated when you're so near to temptation, read, the TV and the couch. To help you fight the temptation and work up a sweat at home, we turn to the individuals who know what you're going through, our readers, actual people with real lives, real jobs, and incredibly hectic schedules just like you. They offer 7 sound advice on how to stay motivated to work out at home, even if you don't feel like it. Finding a habit you'll genuinely love doing at home is the most crucial thing you can do. Certain workouts, think those that require a lot of equipment, will not transition well. The good news is that it's 2017, and thanks to technological advancements, you now have access to an almost limitless number of at-home fitness options. Take a time to consider what kinds of activities you enjoy and then conduct some study. There are many of methods to gain direction, encouragement, and variety, from fitness apps and websites that convert your phone into a personal trainer to live stream movies that turn your living room into a fitness class. You may simply locate a fitness regimen that will work for you with a little internet research and soul searching. Megan Wakefield of Littleton, CO, says, "Finding something I loved doing was the key for me. I don't have to fight myself to do it because I want to, and I thoroughly enjoy the process." If you didn't put it in your calendar, would you remember to go to your dental appointment or attend that weekly meeting? Most likely not. The same may be said of your workouts. Holly Van Hare of Boston, Massachusetts, says, "I schedule it like an appointment. Make exercise a top priority by carving off time on your calendar and then organizing your days and weeks around it. Free workouts for 30 days. Do you need some extra motivation this winter? Arptive is a new software that provides audio-only workouts from top trainers to your favorite music. Strength training and high-intensity interval training (HIIT) workouts, as well as yoga and running, are all available, so you'll never be bored. The tough issue about doing an at-home workout is that your house isn't a gym. You're in luck if you have a gym in your home. Do you mind if we come over? If you're a commoner like us, you'll have to make do with whatever space you have. This could entail constructing a tiny gym in your basement or simply shifting the coffee table 3 inches to accommodate a yoga mat. If you have anything to move, set up, or deconstruct before your workout, say, the night before, if you plan on getting up and working out, do it well ahead of time so there are no hurdles or excuses. Wearing spandex just about anywhere is now more than ever acceptable. Take advantage of the trend by donning gym gear as soon as possible and at every chance. Why? According to one study, simply wearing gym clothing can help inspire you to exercise. Antoinette Schoenthaler of New York City says, "On workdays, I return home and change into my gym clothes before anything else, and on weekends, I put them on first thing in the morning. That way, I won't have any excuses in the future." Hold the phone in your hand, literally. Read this before you tweet, mail, or gram your fitness plans. If you keep them to yourself, you'll have a better chance of really working out. According to one study, social acknowledgement makes us less likely to follow through on our plans. However, once you've completed your workout, feel free to brag about it on social media. Take a photo with the hashtag # from where you stand or a sweaty selfie. You'll establish a small group of cheerleaders if you share your progress and triumphs, and you'll be able to tap into that satisfied feeling the next time you're on the fence about working out. But let's be honest. It's fine to use minor incentives to motivate oneself to exercise. Do we hope you're making up for it with something as nutritious as carrots? Sure. But it's fine if it's occasionally pizza, turkey chili, or a salted caramel brownie, because balance. Julia Gassaway, Richmond, Virginia, says, I normally work out directly after work, so I don't eat dinner until after I've knocked out a workout. From a mental standpoint, it's a significant accomplishment. If eating isn't your thing, if you accomplish all of your workouts for a month, reward yourself with a new pair of sneakers. Barter with yourself when working out at home sounds like the worst thing imaginable. People usually do half of what they generally do. Then, 8 out of 10 times, I complete the entire workout anyhow since all I needed was to get started. And what about the 2 occasions you didn't complete the task? At the very least, you did half, which is better than nothing. Final thoughts. Finding a routine you enjoy so your at-home workout doesn't seem like work is the best method to drive yourself to work out at home. Then, to set yourself up for success, control as many elements as you can and make it a habit. Sure, the couch looks lovely when you get home after a long day, but falling into it once you've earned it will feel so much better.